I work at the Strathmore University Business School as a program manager, and just in a short while, I would like to take you through some of the programs that we offer in relationship to healthcare. But basically, Strathmore Business School came up with a department of the Institute of Healthcare Management that targets to fill the gap of the leadership and management skills in the healthcare industry. So the institute is run by one of your own, Professor Gilbert Okwaro, a pharmacist, and also Dr. Frank Wafula, who is the director in the MBA in Healthcare Management. So we have academic program, which is one as of now, which is the MBA in Healthcare Management, that was started in 2013. I'm very happy because at least I've seen over 10 of you who have attended the program, and they are really doing very well outside the industry. They also have executive programs that they lead in high-performing health organization, managing healthcare business, pharmaceutical supply chain management, and also do customized program. So quickly, I will take you through what's the target group. We target all healthcare professionals, i.e. pharmacists, doctors, nurses, lab technologists, clinical officers, administrators, and also we look at persons who have interest in healthcare management. Like I will give an example of this year, one of the graduates is an engineer who did engineering, but because he wants to run a family business in healthcare, he came and enrolled for our masters in healthcare management. So the MBA in Healthcare Management, we target specialists and managers who are pursuing a career in health services, or people who want to acquire and enhance their professional skill. So it's a bit general in terms of management. So if you have an interest in the healthcare industry, in terms of professional, and also sometimes I get students who want the paper so that they get the promotion, or somewhere told them you need to have a master's in something with the healthcare. And they come to enroll for the program. And by the end of the course, you'll have gotten some firm understanding of the current management concepts across the healthcare industry, and also assess the health systems and healthcare structures. We also will be able to teach you the principles of management in the healthcare setting, build a personal and professional network with the like-minded profession. Sometimes you sit in a class where if maybe some of you are owning these healthcare facilities, and one of the advantages we do is we give you a coach. The first day we enroll you, we have a partnership with the national body for coaches. So some people come in and there is a challenge they want to solve at their facilities. Maybe someone wants to expand. So we're able to give you a coach who will walk you through the programs that you'll be doing. And so that at the end of the program, not only have you gotten the paper, but you're also trying to solve a problem at your place of work. So this coach will be visiting you, trying to ask you questions. So where are we? How are you tackling this problem? What are the progress, like that? The MBA in Healthcare Management, the total fees is 1.4 million. This covers several things. One is we are able to provide you with all the learning materials. Every time you come, we give you the writing materials. We give you textbooks for all the 18 units. We are also able to give you a Samsung tablet that will access our e-learning app at ease at your place of work. We are also, with the same money, able to take you to India for 1 week, where you'll be able to learn from some of the entrepreneurs and how some systems are managed there in India, and see what you can bring home. The fees also caters for a few international faculties. We have a partnership with Harvard Business School, where we have one of their faculty coming to teach. We also have a partnership with Wharton Business School, and some more. So basically, bringing these people here in Kenya for the 2 weeks, teaching you some of the unit to at least enhance that international exposure, is also catered in that fees. We also capitalize on personalized attention. We have an administrator sitting with you in class. Just in case you have a problem, you want to print an assignment, there is someone who will help you do that. We make sure your life at Strathmore is as easy as it should be. And also, what we do is next slide before I finish on the good things. We also have this program called Leading High Performing Healthcare Organization, LIHO. Now we have people who are senior in the healthcare industry. They don't want to do the MBA. So we bring them in, these senior people who are involved in decision making, coming up with policies to train them. And this program is offered in 5 modules over a duration of 6 months. So after 1.5 months, you come in for 4 days, full time. And then we are able to train you from Monday to Thursday. So this specifically for senior and leaders in the healthcare industry. This one goes for only 450,000 for the 6 months. And then we have another one. So we have most of you who finish school and maybe you don't want to do the MBA, but you have this facility, you have this pharmacist or this business you are doing, and you want to understand when an accountant brings to you a financial statement, at least you want to understand it and be on the same page. So we bring you in to teach you about how do you manage this facility. So basically this one is purely for entrepreneurs, or sometimes the entrepreneurs are not there. So there is someone running the facility on their behalf. So they usually send in those the people who do that. We have a partnership with Farm Access. They do pay 50,000 for every student that we admit, and the total fees comes to around 200,000 for this program. It's 4 modules, also spread across 6 months. Then we have the pharmaceutical management commodity supply chain. We call it FAMCOM. This was purely a product of Professor Okwaro. So this basically is for staff members or people who are involved in the supply chain management, procurement, distribution, and any other key component in the supply chain system. So this one is 2 weeks. You come in for 2 weeks. This one, mostly students come from the counties. So we have some few counties that have been sending their people to do this. But this one goes for around 150,000. For all our programs, when you're on campus, but this is not that important, but we offer you meals, starting with breakfast, 10 a.m. tea with a snack, lunch, and also 4 o'clock tea with a snack. Just to make sure that you don't need to leave the campus to go look for meals somewhere else. Then this one that we started recently, we are trying to do like a pilot program for our online programs that because we also want to go online. Most of our clients come from across Africa. This year I admitted one person from Nigeria, another one from Malawi to do the master's program. So I also have some good students from Tanzania and Uganda. So we want to go online. So we use this one as a pilot. So basically you come to Strathmore for 2 days, face to face. You'll be told what to do when you'll be meeting online in the online forums. So basically we are looking to train at guys who are involved in managing a hospital, purely hospital management. So it's something that we are trying up. The first cohort graduated early this year. So we are hoping with the way the feedback has been coming in, if we can now do our masters also online. And then these are some of the benefits I've mentioned about. The best one I usually rely on is the networking opportunities with the faculty and fellow participants. In the classes that I also do sit in, I've seen students employing students, fortunately. And it's something really very good. I've also been able to see the way the students pick on the networks with the international faculties, and they start doing their own things at their own time. So the networking opportunities you get, like the managing healthcare business, you can imagine sitting in a class of around 30 people. You are running your own facility, and the other 29 are also running their own facilities. And the coaching process whereby they're able to present the problems that they want to counter or what they want to achieve at the end of the class, and they're presenting these projects in class. It's something really nice that you'll also be able to learn from what other people are doing outside there. So that's a nutshell what we do in relationship to healthcare management. And one of the things I think is that at least most of people across the healthcare industry have been enrolling for these programs, and I also encourage you to enroll for them. You will ask me, Mandela, the fees, the 1.4 million is too much. I cannot pay it. What we do, I can tell you, we have students, like the ones I've already admitted now, they are paying their amount slowly. The next intake is in March. By the time we hit March, they have gone with their fees and they come and they do the programs. And also there is value for your money. We just don't want to give you that certificate, but we want to give you something complete, a full package, something that you can go there and do something better for the healthcare industry. So thank you very much. I'm at the tent in case you need any further information. You can come, then we can chat the way forward. Asante sana.